Hi, my name is Serena Falcitano and today I'm here to show you how to clean a Mythos coffee grinder. According to Victoria Arduino's tradition, this grinder has been designed following an idea to provide the best technology and the best design to meet the requirements of even the most demanding barista. This also means simplify maintenance procedure to guarantee greater efficiency, especially in those contexts with high productivity. So, let's start! To complete your daily task, you will need the following items: a Phillips screwdriver, an upper cleaner, a clean cloth, and a small brush. The following operation should be performed at least once a week, preferably by a service manager or a professional barista. Be sure your beans container is pretty empty. Remove the coffee beans from the container. Now put back the container and add some grinder cleaner. Start grinding. Now remove the coffee bean container and use a cloth to clean its surface. If this operation is not performed, there is a risk that the grease left by coffee beans will become rancid. Unplug the cartridge head and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the two screws locking the higher grinder holder. What you need to do now is to use the small brush to clean the burrs. When you're done, you must do the same with the higher grinder holder. Please keep in mind that the metal leading edge should be immaculate. Use your brush to make sure that there is no ground coffee left around. It's now time to reassemble our grinder. This will take you just a few moments. Plug the cartridge head, attach the base, and screw back together the two parts. Now, put the coffee beans container back in place and open the tab. Our job is done. Stay tuned to this channel to find out more about Mythos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you!